Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1969 Dodge Charger. This is a true RT car. Beautiful car, guys. I actually bought and sold this car in 2014. It was a fresh Rotisserie Restoration then. Unfortunately, I bought this from the gentleman that actually did the restoration on it. He was another elderly man, and unfortunately he had passed. He was actually very sick at the time. But great car, gorgeous car. Again, I sold it in 2014 to a gentleman over in Illinois. I can tell you he's put less than 500 miles on it since I sold it to him. Stunning car, factory T3 bronze. It's got the tan vinyl interior, the white top. I love the color combo. It's a matching numbers 440 cubic inch engine with a matching numbers pistol grip 4-speed manual trans in it. Dana rear end, 354 sure grip. And like I say, guys, stunning, just a gorgeous car. And he said he really didn't have to do anything to the car. You know, you can nitpick a few little things, but there's not a whole lot, guys. Beautiful paint. Again, the car was restored probably around 2010 through 2012. There's a little light scratching right there. Car runs and drives excellent, guys. I mean, there's not a squeak or a rattle. The car just goes down the road. I mean, it's just a great running and driving car. Vinyl top's in great shape. You can see the stainless around the vinyl top is gorgeous. And these cars are just so hard to find, guys. And we got this thing priced right. This car will not last very long. Nice and straight down the sides. It's got a beautiful set of BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with the 15-inch Magnums. Kind of see where they've, if I remember right, I think that was like that when we bought it, actually. Great car, though. Bought this car, actually ended up buying 3 cars from Dave while I was over there. All really nice stuff. Again, matching numbers, 440 cubic inch engine. You can see it's got the chrome air cleaner on it. It's got an aftermarket set of Mopar chrome valve covers. I don't have the originals, guys. This is just the way I bought it. Stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Power steering, power front disc brakes. It does have the matching numbers 4-speed trans in it. It's got the Mopar radiator with the shroud. They've put a vacuum canister on it for the brakes. You know what? I don't know if I showed you the fender tag. Really just a good car, guys. I mean, like I say, it drives excellent. Jay's not the Mopar guy that I am. We're trying to turn him into one, but he drove it and he just couldn't believe the way this thing drove. You can see a little, you know, patina there to the A-pillar chrome. Mirrors are nice. The stainless is really nice. Door handle. Yeah, what do you call for the little side pouch there is kind of worn out. That's about the only thing that's different than when I sold it. Bucket seats, console, Hurst Pistol Grip shifter. Factory tach engaged car, 39024, guys. And like I say, that now I'm sure that's 139, guys. But he's put less than 500 miles on the car. That's not on the restoration. The car was done, like I say, early 2000s, or early like 2010 to 2012 is when the car was done. It's got Dana 354 sure grip rear end. It's got an aftermarket radio mounted in the trunk. Factory jack with spare. If I remember right, this car does have new quarters on it. It's all body color in the trunk like it should be. Just satin black underneath. You can see the Flowmaster dual exhaust. Very nice underneath, guys. A little crack in the paint there. Seats are nice. Dash is in great shape. Steering wheel's real nice. Factory AM radio, but of course they've got an aftermarket in there. Here's your remote, matter of fact, for the radio. Little patina here on the console. Parking brake does work. That works, guys. Looks like all your gauges work. Backup lights work. Just a great car. Does that work? I don't remember that working. I think it's just by that radio. It's mounted in the trunk.
Oh, yeah.
Blower motor works.
Yep. Reverse light works on the dash.
Oh, a little reverse light works on the dash. See both those hood mount turn signals work. Winks at you for a second. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Beautiful car. Matching numbers, 440, 4-speed, Dana, True RT. Not every day you get a chance to own one of these cars, guys. Sorry guys, too much traffic. Have a great day.